guys. Today we are going to do the design thinking implementation for an existing product, recreating the existing product, which is nothing but the helmet, by using additive manufacturing. You can start with the DD structure from empathy to testing and result. Yes.
So our design thinking process has 5 major steps, which is the initially empathy. So when we talk about empathy, what existing problem or what existing issue the product has, and it has to be addressed so that the next product that someone has to create would rectify and cure all these issues. So existing helmets have a major drawback of having the thermocast as the interior binding and as the safety sole. So when we have that particular thing, it is also harmful to nature, the first point. The second point would be when they are creating this product, they are using casting method. So on that particular method, they can use only one type of material, which is totally reliable for the safety, the integrity of the helmet. So there can be not build of the composite material. So when we use the casting method, we can only use drop pouring method or other few methods to create a single product with a single material. This has been a major drawback in the helmet industry, as in my perspective. It was not up to the industry's drawback. It is a drawback when we look upon from the customer's soul. So when as I am a customer, I would prefer much more safety. The existing material would not give that much safety when I compare it with an composite material. So when we talk about composite material, it can't be done in the same process. So here comes our department, which is additive manufacturing, which will be explained by Ishan.
So as the empathy has a lot of problems, I would like to state the few popular problems that occur when you are having a helmet. So first one would be the size and availability of the your preferred helmet. When you are looking for a helmet, a lot of people look for looks and the preferred size for their head, which is a very big issue when you are looking in a very economical way. As the more higher you go in the economy, the more better choices you have in helmet. So additive manufacturing is best suited for creating customized helmets under very low economic rates. So this one is first problem which can be addressed in additive manufacturing. And the second is these present helmets are made through injection molding, and these moldings can be very harmful when in nature during the manufacturing process. And again, additive manufacturing can reduce this problem, as additive manufacturing uses less often heat and emissions way. So these are the main two problems that can be redefined by using additive manufacturing. So other part will be said by
This normal traditional manufacturing method is very slow and it causes many complications, but it's not customized to the specific customers for the head shape or head size. But in additive manufacturing, we can customize for the head shape and head size with a sole integrity with high comfortness. Like we can take the outer casing. We can use nylon with carbon fiber material in SNS method. It's the powder-based polymer methodology to create a outer-based cast product with specifications of head size and jaw size with the earpiece and all. And also the visor part will be done by smart materials to absorb the high heat and absorb the night hiding time. We cannot be see through the high beam lights and all. If we can use the smart materials in the resin-based technology, stereolithography is required. We can create a smart visor which can absorb the light and does not affect the eyes of the rider. In the base of soles, these soles can be manufactured through foam-based technology. It can create high comfortness to the rider, because many of the persons usually cannot prefer helmet while long driving. If we create high comfortness and reliability, the users can prefer the helmet and all.
And Varshan, you can explain about testing and prototyping for this process.
prototype and testing is one of the important steps in every manufacturing and innovative part. Because with all of the idea, in this step only we can give a shape to the everyone's idea. So we can create a basic design from everyone's point in a 3D software or there are many software like SolidWorks, and so we can create an idea. So by doing so we can think more innovative at that point where we design. So we can design the part and we can analyze the part in a software called ANSYS to find if the ideas are solid or not.
Okay. These are the methodology through which we can able to develop a DP based process for manufacturing a new filament by using additive manufacturing, through which we can able to implement every product with the help of additive manufacturing techniques, which detailedly explained by Dharnidharan, for technology through which SLA, SLS and varieties of technology has been we have discussed. So from this idea we can conclude that additive manufacturing has a wider varieties of application where we can able to establish many products. Thank you.